Hi everybody, Dr. Thompson here, and I want to talk to you about if you want to live your ideal 100-year lifestyle. How you take care of yourself from a healthcare perspective is really important. So as we're here and helping you to express your full potential for a lifetime, you're going to see right here in the office what is called the Lifestyle Care Continuum. You'll see crisis care, where it's just a short group of frequent visits to help you get out of this hole that you're in right now and to give you relief from your condition, your pain, your disease, your disharmony, your weakness or imbalance that may be affecting your health right now that's causing your symptoms and affecting your quality of life. So if you have some type of crisis, then having a healthy spine and nervous system can help you on every level. It will contribute to your healing. Then there's lifestyle care. For those of you that want to live an active, healthy, long life, and maybe you're symptom-free even. You're not feeling anything right now, but you just want to express more of your God-given potential, your innate potential. That's why lifestyle care is so important. It's being consistent over the course of a lifetime, regardless of how you feel, to optimize your health and vitality from now through every stage of life as you age. And the most important thing, because a lot of you, your health is a roller coaster. You don't do anything about it until you feel it. So that critical transition from crisis care to lifestyle care is vital if you want to be able to function at your highest level through your lifetime. So don't just stay focused on the crisis today. If you want to be a healthy over the long haul, make that critical transition from crisis care to lifestyle care and enjoy your health and vitality for 100 years and beyond.